say allegation, say speculations. Opa, let's go back as when the university was first founded. Niyehwe say yenya oba bia sexual harassment, whether sex for grades, sex for you to get a favor, sex for anything. If we cannot get people from as far back as when the university was first opened, I am highly disappointed with the decision or the response. The first thing the university should have done,
Asempa FM,
was immediately tell the professor, step down. Let's do our own internal investigation. Is the professor still at place? What kind of country are we? Look, this is the only country. Instead of holding people accountable, we would then make mockery, dilute the whole issue. And I give you a few examples. We were here when the whole owner of a school, Lamte Mills, the owner of the school, got a student, a senior high school student, impregnated. A whole owner of the school. This was not even a lecture. What happened when the guy was arrested? Instead of the system taking over, because you do know what is interesting. Do you know, sir, if there's a case against even an individual, there are some cases that if the individual says, I'm not going to pursue her, the state can pursue it as the state. Fast forward, we were in this country, a young girl who, whether she agreed, whether she was coerced, the video went viral when a whole teacher had audacity to have intercourse openly on a stool. It became some joke in Ghana. People were saying, you see Queen Mothers on a stool, you see Kominini on a stool. Aren't we ashamed? But we sit here and then we talk about Me Too movement. Do you know how Me Too movement came about?
Asempa FM.
When our women in Ghana are going to get angry enough, I'm a father of young girls. I have 2 daughters who have been to, one went to Tech, one just came out of the law school. She's been called to the bar. She was a Lego. The nonsense that is going on, the university should stop this mediocrity response. Go and check look at the response from Nigeria. Next door. Why, Ghanaians, do we think we are so smart? Me, I am angry because I'm a parent. I wouldn't want any idiot to come and tell me there was no evidence of sex for grades. What the hell is wrong with the university advisors? Are they sick in their heads? Other jurisdictions, the lecturer or the professor would have made to step down immediately. Even if you don't believe the BBC story, even if it's an allegation, it's been alleged that a worker from your school is doing this, and then you come and give me this nonsense response. A whole university? You can't come back, you can't come up with something better to let me as a parent that next time if I send my daughter to the school, some grown lecturer or professor will not be stupid enough to come and give me excuses. And some of the excuses that I'm getting is even annoying me. People are alleging that they call the whole City FM, called the whole professor of psychology at the university, and he was trying to justify that some of the girls also seduces the lecturers. I beg your pardon.
Asempa FM.
There are 3 things here: morality, ethics, and then law. These lecturers in Ghana and Nigeria failed all these 3 tests. Morally, they were wrong. Ethically, they are wrong. And then legally, because the legal thing with the university is no lecturer should have a relationship with a student. The girl went there under the pretense of a student. Yes, she might not be a student, but she went there under the pretense of a student. And then university, a whole university with your so many professors and lecturers. This is the response that you can give. I am dying them. They should take me on. I will take them on. I am dying the university. The woman, Professor Poku, you should be ashamed as a woman that you can come and say that there wasn't, but anyway, we feel that. You feel what? Suspend them, professor. That is what universities do. That is what institutions do. What kind of country? We make mediocrity out of everything. We are even lucky that there were videos or pictures on this issue. If it had been a voice, I can guarantee you the professor would have told us his voice was doctored. In a country that somebody makes a statement and it is out, that person will have audacity to come and tell me that his statement or his voice is doctored. Let's go and do sound check. Let's go and do that forensic scientific thing that they would tell you that this level it is you and not, and see if those people, it will not be confirmed that they were the people on the tapes. What kind of stupidity
Asempa
is this?
FM.
I don't get it. Are we living in a country that anything becomes a play, a mediocrity, a joke? How do we expect Ghana as a nation to develop? Look, let me tell you what. I want this, because I'm speaking in English. I support the BBC. I'm even ashamed as being part of, I'm not a journalist though, but I'm part of an organization that a Ghanaian journalist, a Ghanaian station, just like GBC, couldn't have done this investigation. Talk to your daughters, talk to your sisters, talk to your mothers. They would tell you they knew a girl who went through the same nonsense. So why are we trying to pretend? Ghanaians, we become like ostriches. It's annoying, it's disgracing, it is something that we should not. What I'm saying is, what is the Minister of Education saying? In charge of tertiary. What are they saying? And the lawyer, I'm daring the professor. Sue BBC, you will see the girls who will come and testify against you. Bill Cosby, the whole movement of Me Too. Do you know how Bill Cosby got in trouble, that Bill Cosby is in jail now? Krista, women that he had sex with 30 years ago, not even just last year, 30 years ago, are the ones who came, and Bill Cosby is in jail now. The millionaire who was also taking advantage of little girls, flying them on his private jet and giving them money and whatever. When he was arrested,
Asempa FM.
then the girl started coming out because he couldn't stand the heat. He killed himself in jail. Ghanaians, we should be ashamed and sometimes and say that yes, we made a mistake, we apologize, we will not do it again. Let's see how we can. What I want the university to do, what are they going to put in place so that this nonsense will not happen again? But I can guarantee you, before the end of the year, if the students are in school, some girl will fall foul to this because there's an idiot professor. Some professors will even dare each other. How many girls have you slept with? And then the whole university, instead of you saying that, hold on, we are going to do our own investigation, we are going to find out if girls will come and testify against this whole professor, you come and give this nonsense response. You should be ashamed of yourself as the university. Go and see what your counterparts in Nigeria has done. That is what I call proper responsibility. Not this mediocre country. We are jokers in this country. I'm a father. I have kids. I have girls. When I put my daughter in your care, and that stupid excuses that some Ghanaians are giving, what if the girl also likes it? Then go and sleep with your daughter. If you can't sleep with your daughter, why do you want to sleep with my daughter? Go and sleep with your daughter. But you don't want to sleep with your daughter, but you want to sleep with my daughter. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of country are we living in? Where authorities, I say, where is the Ministry of Education in charge of tertiary? This is something, it's a disgrace. Look, it is nothing new. We've heard this. When we were young boys, we went to the university to go and chase girls. The girls told us this almost 40 years ago. It is still pending. So for once, somebody has managed for us to open our eyes and see what is going on. Then the university come up with such a response. How dare them? You can come in 0302 216 545, 0302 216 546, 0302 216 546. Look, this stupidity, this is pure stupidity, should not be condoned or entertained. And I'm also highly disappointed in Ghanaian women.
Black of Capito.
Yes, sir.
Oparinio.
Opare you.
Black of Binamia some Jane count.
A bison count.
They are Brebia Mitio and no cry or cancer the opposite Ghana calling him and I'm a man who's a pa. You won't pay for be or multimedia or Mode Ghana ever calling him. Black of Vijay and paying for no more share on more with deep on here one can. I would remember no one uncle better resign it paying I'm paying deep on it and Ghana paying for more share the aqua butcher or no defend and you when you would say what deep on it is our way the other two on with him. I don't know when you matter that. Paying what you want now, Cola draws on a more for and son a mamma put a mamma and Cola. Acola Nebia on yard the crown for where a me about it. Uncle no go present your mind Ghana. On Yashi, whatever run the draws no than Echo. So I say, I didn't go assembly and say, no, almost very careful. Now, way, and one day, you. Black of Pudding, I mean,
Opera Yamisu show. Hello. Papa. Yes, sir. Papa, you know, and I will phone him when you cry.
Never can say, Lagofi, my papa, hey, please, Lagofi, and I do here, papa.
Asempa FM.
You, who you want Kasaka Shepa, Lagofi,
meet you.
And then someone can blow phone call, go for better friend, what could be.
Papaya, men can't talk. Papaya, men can't talk. Papaya, men can't talk. Miss Sell.
Oh, something say.
Miss Men can't talk.
And then some kind of phone call, I go for better friend.
Okay, would you come and say? Would you come and say?
Can I say Blackfeet? May Ghana send you for 2 years. I'm with your Mohio.
I didn't send you for any.
I'm on here, I'm on Bruni back, with much to 100. I'm on your news. What I say, but Ghana, my Africa, will be quiet, so much for. What I say, if the other Ghana, you're more,
Papaya. Menana was a Casa Bonini when I catch us abroad, I cried to Okuni Power media phone.
Oh, black from
catch you in the time. Multi-chrome and then some phone call was also. Hello.
Yeah, please, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to contribute to your program.
Go ahead, sir.
Thank you. My name is Agbada. Please, when you go, try past festival, I'll give you a fuel.
No problem. Yes, Agbada. Yes, speak English. You know the man who called, who was saying the things. He can't even speak English.
Thank you.
I don't even know how he was even able. That's why he was making his statement that has nothing to do with the show.
Thank you.
Yes, go ahead.
Since 3 days ago, today, you let me know or understand the topic very well. So let me congratulate you. You are a good father. You know, now before I begin to know that those people are spoiling the country, they are the lecturers, politicians, and the king and queens in Ghana here. So today, let's see everything clear. So I wish you the best. Capito, me can say me ki what say papa ya
papa me ti mu sa
and that's my topic class pack
Asempa FM
after me say mo say o man no ayo mo say para di ana politicians ahimfo omu ana say o man ana omu atade say your security forces and we say me anyam nwanwa because nipa say nipa obi be so ade na ubetina ade no na so ni be dan sana watina ade a and the ukra no wadwe no utimi say etino me obi me fight station e bostu and so obi so akosu me ukra because anyanya ni beta ko no ma so ma akosu no o ma say Ghana etimi si Ghana no say Ghana na no Ghana hangi obi ahu asem
agbedefu enika nyame shira 0302 216 hello 0302 216 546 hello 0302 216 545 0302 216 546 hello
Wafa.
Yes sir.
Yes Ajana
koso
yo ya mawoni na Wafa kofi ni ade we de eye masisum kakra because I told you I said who managing director be abo they just said ni bro for kwanka eso who no head institution they just said when mu nyanka ho I'm talking to a friend say oba what you fear na say sa na e ba sia ye mu kai say obi kan say ye wi ye nkosua no na ye nkukom ye wi no to me ni video me hu ni de ye professor no oni eni ayide and obi an twitwa bibia ye wa ha na the video ba say na ye gitu mu
kosa hello
Ora boya me aso nka
ebisun kan mitio
ndi Mordecai no Millennium City
Mordecai
ora bo
afedo do Millennium City
oh go sire bo be na yes
Mateo
Asempa FM
Mateo do de kan wasem
me da se kofi me yire nta ho ba efi na 3 days a be si no amapa ni wi akaka kofi me yire akwa de na kofi na we dey say ya za fufu kofi
ayata foforo
kofi ya ka de mi kwa be ya wudi mo udu Taifa Johnson ya schools be was out the years American school Silenko schools wo ba area haso a SCC ne broadcast area house was be far since we kofi capital many schools be a kofi one kan ko set exams na wo de mo a me think kwara me 200 a e bu be 20 na 5 ro me pass so mo no mo chere somebody ke se pa friends 27 once 9 once 1 8 once 1 once 6 once kofi be to nyame so we the Millennium City
Mordecai you better ask question no we nye schools sa remedial schools no tie catch munyansa mfo na mo kek mudi obi kumu kra mo say politics Mordecai and my very disappointed enti mudi Ghana ha asem ma e ma ne me nka se asumesia na miti wey why na the politics edi me ense ma mi ken why na the politics edi me amutimi fie mu NDC mfa ho MPP mfa ho wo be fra ka Asempa papa no wo say politics munya de mo kire no mo ba me kan am for text messages yes sir.
Good afternoon to you and your listeners.
Good afternoon sir, how are you?
I'm doing fine.
This is Emmanuel I will live from KCM, right?
I'm Emmanuel from Lejikuku.
Okay, go ahead.
I think when they call into the show, the first thing they should do, they should understand the issue and hand before they should comment about the program.
Thank you, sir.
And this program is a serious political, it's a serious platform. So when you call into the
Asempa FM,
let your contribution to be a good suggestion to the program.
Thank you, sir.
If you have nothing to say, don't call to the show. That's all.
Thank you.
Kofi?
Yes, sir.
I'm sure we're here for.
Me too. That's all started, bro. Okay, we in the bro. So started, bro. Say name, bro. I'm kind. Hello. Oh, sorry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Pastor
Isha Koso.
That's it. Ghana, me say me koso kasa de we. Ye wa kuma bi. Sa humo bro phone tantan say. Because obi akọ wia wa de krampo na
yɛte no ani ebe bunipa na ana ebe twa ne nza
there be won't be ncho bi nsa won't be mono also ma police for na de ne kwa there be enem na onya adwene there be emra no say ti Ghana mra say
me asem kana make say wo de say nipa na say bia ye buni kakra obo say nipa na yia na de nsa gira ona na koma o munja o
oh, because my main kind message. Obi Samuel Ofosuba Kofi, as a concerned parent, I'm 100% in support of your submission. God bless you, our homeland Ghana, and make us great and strong. Joseph Kobold, he has the audacity to sue BBC. Nonsense. He cannot even dare. Freddie Kofi Abi, the truth hurts. But what Kofi is saying is the truth. Thank you. Ahmed Fawaz is watching. Andy Moles, Massa, I say you are. I saw you in most of demonstrations in Ghana against former. Eyana bibi hamon. Enti ade amiye ni say no. Now who demonstration do ko bi? Say you saw me in demonstration against most formally. Yana mutimifia na boboda bi na mono.
Asempa FM.
What is wrong. Dave Don Bosky. Oh, Boss Capito, I agree with you actually, but the truth, we are not facing it. This is done everywhere in this country. I agree. Kwame, everything in Ghana is a joke. Nathaniel Saki, good afternoon. Watching you live from UK. Emmanuel, still some Ghanaians are defending these lectures. It is such a wonderful country. Arnold Williamson, God bring Ghana back. Samosu, this expose has come for the whole Ghana nation to sit up for general discussion. The university environment has become. I agree with you. Also, the exposure. This is the major root cause for the most corruption in our highly political society, institutions, tradition societies. God bless our homeland Ghana. Kwate Galaxy, Kwam, Papaya, and Agbedefu. And their main cancer also. Thomas Doche or Dochi. Nana Yao tried and got the adult education school so that he can challenge your friend Agbedefu. Thomas Doche again. Thomas Doche watching you live from USA. Delaware, good job done and congratulations. God richly bless you. Jonah Pani Doku is watching. Gifty Makati, Ghana is dying. Or this year, but ran away. COVID, you are too much. God bless you. Time on us, sports papanaba. Ghana homian kanukuru. Na munyai excuses. You make excuses too much. Broni bonisia. O deal with it. Next what? Send a bay china. Enquire kese. Ye be sa ye tebio. And ye sa to say lecture be acquire sans and fun with you. Kanau and some fun. Moson for COVID capito. My sorry, so.